Hi guys, let me show you how to make a group FaceTime call on iPhone. For that, just find FaceTime app first and now tap New FaceTime. Here you need to simply find people you want to FaceTime to, and you can enter more than one person. Also tap on this plus icon and find them in the contacts. So here we need to tap that option, invite via link, tap on send button, and this is how it will look. So as you can see, invitation has been sent, but other people will need to accept it too, and then you'll be able to make a group FaceTime call. Now let's end this call, and another way is to tap New FaceTime, select one person first, tap on that button FaceTime. Now, after that, you need to tap on the info icon and then click on this option Add People. Here you'll be able to invite people from your contacts list, also via messages, and it will look like that. So as you can see with this person, I am on a FaceTime video right now, and to this person, invitation has been sent. Also, we can click to share a link and share this FaceTime link via messages as well. Great. And the last way is through Messages app. So if you have any iMessage groups, then you can just tap on the name of your group here, tap on video, and with this way you can immediately make a FaceTime call with those people. Here you'll see waiting. This means that other people, so they are not accepting this call yet, but once they accept this FaceTime call, here you'll see them on your screen. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.